Hello, good morning. This is Dr. Jacob, your Python instructor and mentor. Today, I'm going to give you or show you the overview of my Python training guide for those who have it and those who want to follow me up in my YouTube channel, guiding you how you can make Python your primary language. Python Mastery for Data Science and Machine Learning, a comprehensive guide, is the first edition of this book. Let's look at what we covered in the book. As you can see, the book contains a lot. First of all, we start with Introduction to Python Programming. Here, you get the overview of Python programming. We didn't waste much time in telling stories. We started by giving you installation guide, step-by-step installation guide, so that when you follow it exactly. So let's move to the first lesson or first mentorship, Introduction to Python Programming, overview of uh, Python programming. Let's jump to the chapter 1. So you can see overview of Python programming. You see what Python is, a general purpose programming language. Very, very easy to learn. And look at what Python can be used for. You can use it for web development, server-side scripting. You can use it for software development. You can use it to develop standalone applications that you can just use on your system as a standalone app. You can also use it to build all these system programs like calculator, all those system programs, clock, that are just independent in your own computer system. That is what we mean by software development, other software that can stand alone in your system. You can also use it for mathematical modeling, system scripting. You can also use it to build system files, analysis of data. You can use for data analysis, which we're going to see very soon. So the first thing you need to do is, first of all, install your Python. So if you don't have Python in your, this is a simple step. This step listed must be completed in order to install Python on your computer. So I also put a link here for the Python official website. So if you don't have it, you just have to click here. It will open the Python official website where you can download your Python. If you are using Windows, you go here and download Python for your system. So you see the different download the latest release. You click on the latest Python 3 release. See it here. You click here and start downloading. So I've already have it in my system. There is no need of downloading it. So I've already downloaded it on my system. So when you click on download, you see it here. But I don't want to download because I already have it on my system already. So that is what you need to do. Once you have finished downloading the Python, see the step. See, showing you, the book is showing you the different step. You download it, tell you what to do next. So you have to install. Once the downloads complete, find it on your computer. After it must have finished downloading. You go to your download folder, get it, open and install now. So you follow the step. You see the different figures and steps of installing. Python installation setup successful. How to know if your Python has been installed. Once you have successfully installed your Python, how do you know if your Python has been installed successfully? Go to search section in your taskbar, type cmd. It will open the command prompt. See the search section, you click it. So you type cmd, it will bring out the command prompt as you are seeing it here. You get? So what do you need to do? You will type Python on that command prompt. So if Python is there, it's going to show you that you have installed Python in your system. As you can see here, it will show you the version of the Python. So you see the version of the Python when I wrote this book. So if you have Python in your system, which is the first thing, then you can install the IDE you want to use. If you want to use PyCharm, a Python is a Python IDE. You also follow this step in the book. It's a practical guide to install the PyCharm. You also have the step to install your VS Code. If you want to use VS Code, you install your VS Code. PyCharm is specifically for Python, and VS Code can be used both for Python and any other language. So all you need to do is to install the necessary extensions that are needed. So this is where you go and you click here, it will open the website. That's the way the book is done. It provides you the official website for auto installation. If you want VS Code, you do that. So, but for my mentorship, I advise beginners to use, you can see some example code, if you how you can set up the VS Code to run Python. So I advise my learners to use Jupyter Notebook as a beginner's guide. So see here, I explain how you install Jupyter Notebook. When you go online on some YouTube videos, you see they will teach you that you need to install Anaconda before using Jupyter Notebook. No, in my guide, all you need to do is if you look at it here, all you need to do is you go to your command prompt. Assuming you have Python installed, you may run the following command to install Jupyter Notebook via the command prompt. So all you need to do is open the command prompt and type pip install, pip install Jupyter. So when you do this program will install Jupyter Notebook in your system. So once you do that, you see it will start installing Jupyter Notebook, as you can see here. you start installing Jupyter Notebook. So once the Jupyter Notebook has been successfully installed, so what you need to do is you go to your command prompt and write Jupyter Notebook. Thanks for listening.